to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. Meeting up with a subscriber by the name of Gavin today, guys. We're shooting out to a local spot. We're gonna try and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned, guys. Let's get to it. See what we can pick up. We are out here. Big up yourself. You're fishing. Big up yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here at one of our favorite spots again, guys. Ready to push out today and get some content. I haven't gotten out all day today, guys, because I was actually waiting on my subscribers. They're right there. They're coming up. They're catching up. So we're waiting on them. We got mommy here, first time fishing. She's going to be going out with us today, guys. And let's see what we can pick up. We got to get her a rod in the line, get her in the water, and see what she can pick up today, right? Yes, definitely. See what you can.
I caught a baby wrench man once.
Yeah, we aiming for a little bit bigger fish today, though.
It's a baby.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. I got 5 of them.
Yeah, girls.
Yeah, and 1 boy. Yeah. She's second to last. Yeah, guys, so we back on our pier, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. You're wondering how come I don't have a handful of fishing rods and I have all these fishing rods. Yep, this is how it works, bro. Modern times. See how quick we set up? Yeah, pop. Yeah, that's one thing. Being that all of us is being on this pier, please, everybody, just watch out for the next man that's swinging. Once a man calls him and go out, you know, watch. Brother, you need more line on that. You need a lot more line on that. That line ain't going nowhere. You know no more reel? Yeah. You are real? If you don't, I have some. I can give you some, alright? For me, I'll tie up my rod. Hold on. You good? Good to meet you. Yo, peoples, that's Gavin. Subscriber Gavin and family, people. The whole family decided they want to come fishing today, so we're going to do some fishing. Yes, man. Pop, I'm going to set you up in 1 second. This is what I want you to do for me. Alright, the drag is loose on this. Reel out this line for me like this. Just pull it from up top. This couldn't straighten up. Hold on. Something's not right here. I don't like the way this looks. This is backwards. Oh, this is for a spin cast rod. This is not designed for this rod. That's why the rod is twisted backwards. The eyes are on the wrong side. Look at my eyes. Look at my reels. All right. Yeah, this is. You need a new rod for this, Daddy. Put up that. We have a lot. No. This is for a thumb. A thumb control. Going out. Clear his way. Go on, man. Okay. All right. Hold on a second. Give me a second. Let me give you a quick hand there. Hold on. Alright, guys, going out. You're good. Do me a favor. Give me a little room back there real quick. Alright, that's good, that's good.
Yeah, right.
Hold on. Good distance. That's baby compared to what I normally used to, but alright, let's get this open. Alright, rig, wire rig. It's a big fish. I actually pre-tie these rigs at home before I come out here because I am not trying to come out here and tie rigs up while I'm fishing. That will never happen. Alright, so now this is what you call a Carolina rig. Carolina rig is designed for snappers. I'm actually using a 6/0 hook on here. And please do not watch no footstep on the hook them here. Alright, got that set up, guys. So who else we're gonna give a Carolina rig on it? Even though I don't like using that much weight on that rod, but let's keep that as a backup. Alright, 3 ounce over under rig. Alright, let's get this set up real quick. Alright, guys. You stepped on a splinter?
Or something sharp.
Yo, you better hope it's not one of those lionfish thingies. Oh, here's not the place to walk, especially on this pier. Nowhere for walk beer because beer fishing go on here, so. Alright, over under rig. Let's get one more out. So if you don't have fishing weights, guys, here goes another method of fishing that you just get some old spark plugs from your auto parts place, one of your old mechanics. And we use spark plugs to substitute because sometimes you can't get lead, or the spark plug is actually a little bit more expendable and cheaper to use than lead.
Okay.
Because lead is very costly. It's actually $575 a pound for lead.
Expensive, man.
It's expensive, and then when you melt it, each weight, depending, because remember there's only 16 ounces in a pound. So when you melt it down and the slag and all that stuff come out of it, you're left with a little than off of a pound of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, sometimes this happens because I wrap them up and put them away.
Is it possible to use concrete as weight?
Concrete
Like,
is not recommended because it will cut the line. So what I do, I use a spark plug. I use a lighter line to the spark plug in case it does get hitched up in a reef. I can pop this off and I save my fish. So this pops off here and I get in with the rest of my fish, and that's it.
You use 2 hooks for that?
Yeah, so I use a over under rig. That's what you call an over under rig, and then the rig, the single hook that I'm using over there is a Carolina rig. So the reason why I use 2 hooks, one hook is gonna bait up the water and the next hook is gonna snag the fish.
Oh, okay.
So I pre-tie these from home, guys. Don't think I make sure I set up so that when I do come out, I have ample gears and rigs pre-tied already to go out, or extras just in case one get lost.
Okay.
So, all right, that's it right there. All right, get you guys out. See? So what I do, I tie T-knots. I don't know if you guys see that. I have J hooks on this. I have different kind of hooks.
Okay.
So this is what you call a circular hook right here. See how the hook look different? And this is what you call a J hook on these. So it's a different circular hook. Once it hooks, it goes right in the jaw and comes right out the side.
Okay.
J hook, the reason why I don't like J hooks is because J hooks normally gut hook. They'll go all the way down the throat and hook the gill or in the gut someplace, and then you have to kill the fish. Suppose you want to return the fish, you don't want to kill it. It's not all the time I want to kill it.
Okay.
I don't feel like keeping it. All right,
So
let it go.
what's the difference? Like when do you
All right.
kill it and when do you let it go?
All right. Depending on what size fish you catch, because you really don't want to catch a fish that's too small either, because the J hook will catch you a little small fish like this. Sometimes I'm like, let that grow a little bit, let it grow bigger. Yo, when I catch snappers, 10 pound, 15 pound snappers off land. Here I'm catching snooks, barracudas. I've caught so much barracudas and snooks here on this pier. It's sick. I've filled up my cooler here on this pier so many times. Alright, so I use 2 type of bait. I use fresh bait and then I use salted bait. I don't know if you guys seen it. Here goes. That's some salted bait. This is thanks to Nullis, one of my other subscribers. He went out with me and actually left. He got sick on the trip. We went camping, he got sick. His legs swole up and he had to go home in the middle of the night. Smell that. Don't smell the very best either, but it's cured shrimp, salted cured shrimp. And we use this, we stick them on the hook. Alright, I'm gonna send 2 of these out first.
The fish them love this.
Yeah, so what I do,
What's the purpose of the salt?
it cures it and it makes it harder. It makes this like leather, so it's harder for it to come off. Hard to come off the hook. Yeah, it dehydrates the shrimp and it makes it, yes. So it's hard to come off the hook. So and it lasts longer without fridge. So what I do is, I stuff the hook and I double pin it. So I go to the shrimp sideways, come back to it sideways again, go back around and come back in one more side, and I have 2 shrimp on here, and that hook is now baited up with one part of the hook that's, everything else is hidden except for the tip. So upon grabbing it now, guess what happens? He just got what the duck got. That's it, he's done. So we're gonna run out some of these first, and what you do, take out a few pieces of the raw bait, the fresh bait, and put them on top of the cooler with on a cutting board right here, and let that thaw out. And we'll work with some of the fresh bait on something else. All right, so let me get some of these out. That can go on thaw while we set the first set of this, you understand? That's why I said don't worry about it. If it gives us a problem with the thaw, we catch a little salt water in one of those bottles and just dip in a minute. And that's it. Understand? And just dip it in, it will thaw out quick.
And what's the best time to do fishing here?
Early mornings and evenings like this. You'll pick up some nice jacks here or some shad here in the evenings. You will pick up some snappers here, definitely lots of grunt. I normally pick up a lot of grunt. Yeah. I bring my kayak down. I have a kayak. I'm going to come down here next week and launch my kayak from there. I'm going to troll out the whole entire here with the kayak.
This is a very good excursion.
Yes, yes, guys. I mean, thank you guys for coming out. Definitely, I appreciate reaching out. And Gavin?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, for reaching out. I appreciate it. If you like it, you invest. And make sure when you're ready to invest, I'll show you the right gears to invest. You buy one time, and it's one time lifetime. You never have to buy back again. For example, this reel. And it's a lifetime buy. It's a Daiwa BGC reel. It's 3,000 sealed. Salt water. I drop it in salt water, take it out, jump it over there in salt water again, and use it again. It's not going to seize up.
Okay.
Where this touch a little salt water the other day, I had to pull this thing apart today, the pieces, put it back together, make sure everything was working back in it, grease it up, send it back out. So I'm gonna set up Pop. I got you. I'm gonna give you my personal rod, my drop line rod, and this is this black one right here. All right. So you see that yellow nylon on it? That's 30 pounds.
This can hold 30 pounds.
Yeah, that's 30. No, the line itself holds 30 pounds. But a big fish popped it on me the other day on this blue rod. I was shocked to death. I almost fell to it. I fell out. I was like, damn, popped it, busted. All right, so now, who's fishing?
This is fine.
Just take about a handful. Let me see. Yeah, man, that good, man. And you can put the rest in the cooler to stay cool and fresh.
That's some big fish then, a shark or a catch, man.
No, man, a baby bait that, man. You want something I put on concrete eel, all chunks like this.
What?
Like on this one.
A shark can't catch.
You know, see, I wire this. The reason why I set wire now because I borrow, you know. Yeah, for this one. Yeah, they'll bite it off. Yes, yes. No, they can't bite the wire.
Alright, Daddy, you're up.
Alright, so Pop, I'm going to show you the first way of casting. We'll give you the big black rod.
Yeah. Okay.
With a 2-ounce weight.
Yeah, sir.
So now, make sure everything's good. Working fine. Drag too loose. Alright, perfect. So now, here goes how it works. So you have your rod up. Make sure your guide eyes are straight.
Okay.
Everything is lined up straight with everything. Everything's one line. You see it?
Right.
Alright, now you carry up the bail. Alright. You have your bail and you have your reel. You understand? So now you pull the line off the bail with your finger like this. You see it?
Okay.
My finger's like this on the line. One hand holding it. Then you unlock your bail. So it's basically created a trigger.
Okay.
So now I have the line ready, so make sure behind me is clear, that there's no one behind me, that when I swing forward, that hook is not going to hook someone in the jaw or in the ears or in the eye or in the nose. You have to always make sure you stay clear of everything behind you. So when you come behind you now,
Okay.
you let everyone behind you know, yo, going out. So everyone know clearly I'm going out. There's 2 hooks swinging on this thing to watch out. So when I come forward now, look, you see how I have my hands? So I set myself forward. See, that's all. About 100 yards out.
No.
They dropped about 100 yards out.
Oh, yeah, okay.
See the line?
Okay, okay.
You see it? Alright, Daddy, hold this in your hands and wait till you get a hit. So listen, me now. Don't prematurely move the line. Your right hand, put it right here. Put your fingers between this. Just grab your finger between this, alright? That's a yes, Daddy.
Okay.
You see me? So you got a firm grip. So just rest this on your stomach so you don't have to work your arm with the weight all the time. Okay. Keep the line with tension on it like that. You'll feel the fish hit it. Sometimes they'll do something like this. Don't pay that no mind. So when you feel this now,
Oh,
that's
that
fish.
means hold
That's
him.
fish up on it. You hold him.
I just
Alright? Then you just lift up in that ear with the rod and start. Once you lift up, wind at the same time. Forward.
Which section? This way?
This way. This way.
Clockwise.
Yeah. So yeah. So you go forward. You understand?
Okay.
So
Like a bicycle.
yeah. So you're using your strong hand. You're a right-hander, right? Alright. So you're gonna use your strong hand quick, and just, as you feel the fish and he start running off on you, you just lift him up and set the hook. So what you do is set the hook in his body quick.
Okay.
So just yank up your
Yeah. So you just bring him up quick and then start winding right away. So once you bring him up and lift him up off the ground now, he must start coming to you now, you know.
Right.
If it's a big enough fish, he's gonna try to swim out and you're gonna try to bring him in. He's gonna try to swim out, you're gonna try to bring him in. So good luck. Alright? So who next? Who next? Who up next? Alright, who will step up next now? Alright, Richie, you see how the line set now? Alright, so now casting out in a group of people, you have to look around you how much people cast. Check your lines. Make sure. Alright. This is my other favorite rod. This is a smooth rod right here. So look, what you want to do, check your drag. Your drag is important, you know, because when your rod is set in one of these rod signs, if the fish pull it and the drag is too tight, it's going to pull the rod out with the reel.
Okay.
It happened here already with my cousin. And when I was leaving, I fished the rod and reel out and the fish.
Okay.
So, alright. So I'm going to send you out. Same thing again. Trigger finger on the trigger. See, trigger finger. Release your gun safety. Make sure everything clear behind you. Look, watch, going out. So now you watch the line here, you know. Because what you don't want to do is cast and drop over it.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh, so we're going
So watch.
Okay.
Alright? So keep tension. Look, it's going to drop to the bottom. Watch. You see when it loosen up? That's when it hits the bottom. So what you want to do is keep tension on it the same way, and then you're going to feel that bite, bro. Next up. Alright, you there? You this up? Alright. Gavin, I'm gonna give you that big one. Who else is next here? I'm gonna give you my big rod, Gavin. That's the monster right there. Alright, let me give you. Go on, make him go on, Gavin. I'm gonna give you my 10-foot. Watch your back, mommy. Watch your head.
Going out. Watch your
Going
jaw.
out.
Watch your jaw.
Going out. Watch out. Watch out. Going out. No, man, you don't have to move, man. Stay away there, man. Don't shift. Line me, I look for. Alright, good.
Is it that you throw it while your hand is still holding the card? No, you look at the card.
No, it actually slipped out my hand a while ago, but that one was alright. So this one is gonna go way farther than them, yeah. Even if you go over them, I'm still way out.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So when you see this one go out, you're gonna be like, oh.
I'm getting a pick here now. You can get a pick?
Yeah, man, you will get picked, daddy. Just wait, man. When you feel that rod bend down, and then you'll know when you get a bite, that you'll know when you have a fish. Trust me, you will know. There's no denial in that. All right, Gavin. Yeah. All right. So, yes, I got you on video. Camera's rolling, daddy. Camera's rolling. Don't worry. It's rolling. Camera's always rolling, especially with Jamaican shore fishing. All right, guys, I'm gonna set up Gavin now. Clear. Watch your back right there for me, please. I'm gonna send Gavin out. I'm gonna give Gavin like about 100 miles out there real quick. But let's send him out. All right.
Get the shot put.
Yeah. So that's a 6-ounce weight. So I just send it out real good. Just keep your lines tension. Don't loose on the line, bro. Keep tension on the line. Let the line stay stiff. So I know this is kind of big, but rest it in your stomach and just give him a little rest. And that's easy. Even if you want reel up line and sit on, if you feel like sitting, guys, you can. You don't have to really stand up, but if you, I mean, like I said, just get comfortable with it and just feel out. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. We got Gavin and family here, guys, and they're out fishing. I hope. Let's see who's gonna pick up the first fish today, guys. You getting a hit? Hold on. Stay there, don't.
Run.
Let me see.
Yes, there's tension on it.
Hold on. Hold on, don't move it yet, bro. Don't move it yet. I'll tell you, don't move it. Don't move that rod, because that line, that tip has not bent over yet, and I don't see it. I seen it hit. I see when it got hit.
Yeah, bend over now. Yeah, see.
That's not a bend. No, it's 6:30 mean. All right. Not 6:30 yet. Nah, not literally bend all the way over. But
You feel like something funny?
yeah, they hitting it. I see. They just hit it a while ago again. Yeah, they hitting it. They haven't taken it yet. You'll know when he's on it, brother. Fish on. Just call your fish on, brother. That's all. Yeah, guys. So we're down at the spot, and the guys are throwing out. How you guys doing? You guys
Still
good?
a struggle.
Still a struggle?
Yeah.
This cast, man. That's all the way out here. There's lots of shad, grunts, and snappers. But you see how your rigs tied is also very important. You hear? Put tension on the line, Gavin. Here. Just reel up with it when your hand. You don't have to hold up. So just just go forward with the line and just tension it even. You don't feel nothing touchy. Don't worry. A snapper you're hunting now. Snapper rig that you have on. Yeah, you want to come out of the rain, look a bit, don't worry about it, man. If the alarm goes, daddy, well ready for fishing, you know, it's done there. Nobody play with them today. I'll fish daddy say you want catch. Yo, trust me, I feel you, man. That's how excited I am when I'm out here. It doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter how. If the rain a fall, if the weather bad, I'm catch fish, I'm out here. I feel good, innit? Oh gosh, when I best thing to sit down, When we sit down here sometimes and watch the sunset over that hill,
Yeah.
the prettiest thing you ever seen in your life sometimes. That's someone. I have to sit there and say, wow, you know the Jamaica pretty.
Pretty cool.
Brother, somebody seen me when I see them, man. Yeah.
But never feel same as the bite of it and gone.
No man, never feel like one small one there on it. But him small, I see him move the line yet. Either that or crab. Cause crab grab the line and pinch, you know. And pinch and pinch.
So it's hard to
Yes,
determine whether I'm a
yes,
crab
yes,
or a
yes.
crab or
But
not.
that when the fish bite, you will know because the fish bow down the line and go so. What's up, baby? You alright? Eh? You going to the car? You want the key? Here. Don't lose my key here. Careful.
I think that might have to come back.
You know, come hard, I know. Yeah, you know, so if the rain flood, we have to go pack up quick and left.
Alright, man, come back next week. Plan another day.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, best days for us, Daddy. Is it on the weekend? Is it Sunday and Saturday? Sunday and Saturday is my days. Any day, Sunday and Saturdays. If he's a Sabbath practice person, then we know say we after Sabbath day. You know, say sundown. Eh? Yes, really, you know? Come in. Alright. You got something? Alright, let's get you out of the rain. Come on. Alright. You want one? Wine him in. Wine him in. Wine him in. Alright, good. Wine him in. Wine him in. So I get them and move the rods over so. Flying, man. How far gone, man? You tell us how far. Brother, you want to feel one big fish grab that and you have to wind that in all a mile. Take your time, take your time. Take your time, Daddy. Go on the road, man. Take your time. Alright, listen to me, guys. Let's move these rods under the tree where we now move with less. See? And we'll take the time and pack them up when we reach. We'll take the time and pack them up when we reach over there, someone. Just carry. Look, watch your hooks. Just look now. Oh, yo, you don't move, don't move. Alright. Let's just take the time and go over there and just pack up. I like the waterproof, don't worry about it. Take your time under the tree. So you dry part on that tree there? Alright, good. You not get too wet on there, so don't. Alright, good. Just